This is another video tutorial for wedding ring icon. So let's start without any delay. So this is a simple circle, and I'm going to do it a fill, and now this is fill, and copy pasted font. Now go to this thing, and now with the help of shape builder delete this unwanted part. Okay, now put this like this. Okay, now I'm going to make a love sign. So this is from here, I'm changing this, and now change the color. That color should be the more darker red, and darker red. I need to lots of, okay, this one. So rotate this to 45 angle. So this is a 90-degree angle. Now rotate this 45-degree angle. I think this is, you can see when I'm rotating it showing angle. This is 45 angle. Now copy paste it font and rotate another angle like this. And if you think this is not much better, so Control and Y, this is outline mode. Okay, and see, you can clearly see this is a love sign is occur is here. So if you're happy, you can put this, and this is something like this, and here you can see this is okay. Now if you want to more clear, so put a line here, and this line will guide you. Just put this line, this is put this line here, and we're going to rotate like this. Okay, now this is not necessary, remove this one, and Control and Y, this is out from this outline mode, and cut this unwanted part. This is, you can see our love sign is ready. Now put it before putting it here, I'm going to make a brush, this brush, and F5. If you're hitting F5, you can see this is brush panel is occur, and hit here art brush, new art brush, and here I'm going to change this spatial sensitivity because I'm using here pen tab, and my pen tab have a spatial sensitivity. So if you are using mouse, so it's okay, no problem. You can fix, you can push or you can click on this fixed. Okay, it's up to you. Okay, now in the method I'm going to use this hue shift. Why I'm using hue shift? Because when I'm changing this color, this hue shift option is actually help me. Okay, so hit OK. Now this brush is showing in your panel. Now hit here, and this brush is selected. Now Alt, hitting Alt, and now here you can see this is, I'm going to change this color. Now this change has automatically helped me a lot. So take it easy. Now this is a funny illustrations of a funny icon type of wedding icon. So here I'm putting some, sorry, cancel, and Control Z, and from here I'm changing this like this. Okay, now this is somewhat option, moving this thing. Grouping everything. Now after grouping everything, this is so now see this thing, and after this what I'm going to do, ungroup this everything, and I'm going to change the color. Okay, change this color, it should be black one, so more visibility. That's here. So color contrast, and color should be this one. So it's one reading ring icon, so I'm take it aside. Now I'm going to make another icon related to this. The arrow is crossing the love sign, so to group this everything grouping. Now ungroup this one because I need this love sign. Okay, so put it over here, put it over here, so sorry, and most bigger size, put it over here, and grouping and these things because it's another icon. Now I'm going to make arrow. So before making arrow, here you can see this is say a star. So now if you hold down arrow and drag it, you can see this is clearly a triangle occur in front of you. So now here you can clearly see this is a point, anchor point. So click here with the hit direct selection tool, and with the help of up arrow, if you up a couple of times and holding it, you can see this is the head part of the arrow, and we have got this head part of arrow. Now the body part, this is the body part. Actually I don't know what it's called, so I think that's better to say the body part. Okay, so this is the body part, and now it's the arrow is ready. Now this is up, and now what I'm going to do, just with the help of pen or anything you can, it's up to you, can make it with the help of this rectangle tool. So what I'm going to do, just with holding it and take this like this, okay, and like this, and just you can see clearly see this is the what I'm going to say. So delete this one, it's not necessary. So we are going to use this one for the tail part of arrow. Now see this thing. Okay, nice. So it's underneath of this thing, and now change the color. There should be yellow one. Now copy paste it font and transform reflect, hit OK. Now after hitting OK, you have similar kind of things here, and just put it aside. Okay, put it beside. Okay, so we have got this arrow. So after this I'm going to change the length of this thing, and now go to the profile and change the round cap. Okay, and increase the size of this body of this arrow because that's in center intersect. So we have got this arrow, and change this color. Color should be like yellow. So grouping this everything, and now this is one of the tricky part. This arrow is penetrate through this heart sign and So what I can do, just duplicate this one. So we have got this arrow, okay, and now for this thing, this is a part, okay, and now put it over here, and for this put it side, and now we are going to do one thing. So copy pasted font, now C, and go to path, outline stroke, so everything is now a object. So do one thing, just decrease the size, decrease the size of this thing, and take it aside, and we have got this. Decrease the size and hitting Alt. This is another copy, and now these should be like this, and now take it. Now copy pasted font, now so here this is, you can see, this is a now this is a part, it's showing here, and now this is another part, it's going through, and it's occur here, it's like this, okay. Now it should better. So decrease the size, okay, decrease the size, and now we have this thing, and now with the help of shape builder tool, I'm cutting this with the help of eraser tool, right? Because shape builder tool is not working here. With the help of shape builder tool, this is something I'm going to cut this area, okay. So eraser tool is necessary here. So if I erase this thing, because it's not necessary, erase this thing and cut like this, erase this thing, so it's not necessary, okay. This is not necessary, erase this one, and now finally we have got this two part. And so now a problem is here, this is not looking good, and it's looks like it's break here. So what I'm going to do, just with the help of this tool, okay, nice, and this thing, and now put it over here, okay. So we have got this thing. So now with the help of brush tool, hitting F5, this brush tool is this brush, select this brush, and now we are going to draw like this, okay, and here also draw like this. Now it's clearly occurred, this thing is penetrate through this heart, okay. So from here I'm going to change this color, and now this color, and this is smiling, say smiling, and this is on type of things, because I'm looking this most satanic type of things. Don't worry about if someone break your heart, or if you are loses. It's something like that feeling. Okay, this is one, and hit and delete this one, and now little bit of like this. Okay, now change the color. Change this color should be okay. Now this color, and now no stroke. Okay, now hit draw inside, and now change the color like this color. Okay, now okay, couple of time. Okay, so nice. You can see this is unique type of things. I'm going to design here. So now here I change the size of this stroke, change the size of this stroke. Now getting outside, we have got these things grouping, and now transform, reflect, hit OK, and put it here. Okay, now this one and this one, put it over here. So for this looking some interesting thing here, and here I have got okay. Now change the color. This color should be like this. Okay, now this is your heart penetrate through the arrow penetrate through the heart. Sign is ready. Now this thing, and another thing you can do. It's up to you. It's because it looks nice if you do this. Thank you very much for watching. I'm deleting this rest of this part because it's not necessary here. Okay, that is also not necessary here. Okay, grouping everything, and this is the icon. I put it over here and group it, and this is another icon. I put it over here. So this two icon, this is very important. This icon you can put in your t-shirt, anything else, or card design. Thank you very much for watching this video tutorial. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye.